I didn't get no cards. But the shoe is fire. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we got the What the Clout, or the Clout Dunk. What the Dunk Clout. Yeah, I think that's about it. And Clout and Nike are done. Well, for now, that contract is over. So they decided to put together all their collaborations with Nike in the past, however many years that have been, all in one sneaker. Tell me, y'all, which one is y'all the best? Let me know in the comment section below what's better, left or right. Out the box, honestly, I'm leaning towards the left. I like the red, pink, peach look, but the blue silver look always been a favorite of mine, and it's always been like a Clout special. So we all remember the What the P-Rods or the What the Dunks made by Paul Rodriguez, right? When you think of the Clout, you kind of lean towards this, even though with Clout, they had like a 2-decade run with Nike to choose from, but it was only their designs. With the What the Paul or What the P-Rods, he chose any SB possible, making this sneaker a little more iconic in my opinion. So with that being said, I kind of compare the What the Clouts more to the Street Hawker joints we seen about 2 years ago because of the palette colors, the light colors, the different textures, and the different swooshes on the textures in the different toe box look. So when I think of the What the Clouts, I think of these more than the P-Rod joints. But back to these bad boys right here, man. So like I told you, Clout, Nike, 20 years, 2-decade run is over for now. So they left us with these fire What the Dunks. You know we don't talk too much here at Sneaker Notes, man. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get this beautiful stealth black Clout Nike box, and it just has 20-year anniversary all around it. The Clout logos in different colors. You know we love presentation here at Sneaker Notes. This does not disappoint. You got the Nike logo on top, giving you Jordan 1 vibes. It's on each side. That's in white with the Clout colors like I told you, and the 20-year anniversary thing there. It reads Nike Dunk Low SP, multicolor, multicolor, multi. When you flip open the lid, you don't get anything special in here, but you do get the tissue paper the same color as the box, along with some regular white tissue paper. I thought that all of them came with the trading cards. That's why I was extra stealth to get this sneaker fast for this review for you guys, but I was told they all do not come with the trading cards. So if yours don't come with a pack of trading cards, don't be alarmed. You can get them on StockX for like $80, but that was a bummer to me. Let's start with the right shoe. And here's a 360 view of the right shoe. Clout, What the Dunk. Now, if you remember, Clout came out with I don't know if it was an Air Force One or a Dunk. I didn't cop, but it was this material here. All of that material flipped up and it became something else. I'll put pictures up so you guys can see, but that's what you got on the toe, around the toe box on the right side of the What the Dunk. And that creeps in just a little bit. Midway through the sneaker, bam, the material texture changed into a mesh look. with a nice silver reflective swoosh. Probably one of the best swoosh I've seen on a dunk ever. Remember, this is not an SB, guys. This is a regular dunk. I really like that swoosh. Come back, you get that Clout look again, but a different, well, maybe the same material, but different look with the Clout logos in it in black. You get to the back, that silver comes back. OG Nike Dunk logo, one of my favorite logos, man. I know it's basic, but I like it. And it's in like the stealth look with that silver platinum on top. The black creeps back in, back to white, clear bottom, guys. Everyone loves a clear bottom. Get to the inside. Well, before we, let's go to the inside. But let me show y'all real quick. You see the mesh is also see-through. As you can see my finger there. So it's a lot of see-through moving parts in both sides of the sneaker. There you go. That's a mesh look. But now let's go back into the inside. You got a little small jewel swoosh, mini swoosh. This is one of the reasons the social status chocolate strawberry mid dunks failed to me, because they just had this little swoosh when they should have. That's another story, man. But I like this blue here. Looks like that nice royal blue. Everyone loves royal blue. One of the most popular blues besides UNC. But that's a small swoosh, guys. It doesn't cover the whole border like a dunk usually does. The tongue here, lime green. Y'all know I drive a lime green Wrangler, so whenever something got lime green in, I'm kind of hyped. But regular Nike swoosh, the tongue I told y'all is not an SB, so you get your regular Nike Dunk tongue, but it is dressed in white, in blue, in a nice blue. As far as the shoelace holders, on one side you got that nice blue, on the other side you got that nice gray. And let's get to the elephant in the room. Here you go, a see-through toe box. Now I done showed y'all the eBay joints a couple of weeks ago. I'm kind of through with see-through things, man. But for the summertime, with some dope socks, it rocks, man. So as you can see, the shoe tree that comes with the sneaker, let's take it out. There go the toe box, and there you can see a little bit of that dope inside sole. But I'll take you to the top. I don't know exactly what it is. I didn't do my research, guys. But to me, it looks like a math graph with some drawings. I see a foot. I see some, I don't know if it's Chinese or Japanese, so we're just going to say Asian writing. But it's definitely a drawing there, guys. Again, I told y'all the bottom, that see-through look, translucent look. And this is the right side, guys. On to the left side here. Looks a little more earthy. I'm going to call this side like the earthy side. So, you got a nice peach or pinkish Clout swoosh with the Clout logos material inside, man. Looks like Louis Vuitton in my opinion, man. Then you got like some brick. This comes from the Jordan 13. That one I could tell y'all off the back. The Jordan 13 Clout collab. That material I remember, because this is the reason I didn't buy the Jordan 13. But on the dunk, I really like that material. Behind this swoosh, you got like a sandbag, potato sack filled there. Over here, you got like more of a cement look. It is gray, but it does look a little brownish to the eye. So it's a crazy look in here, guys. And that's just the right side of the left side. Again, another see-through toe box. This one is not clear. This one is more of a mesh look here. I'm not going to lie. It feels flimsy, guys. But this reminds me of the Union Dunk Passport. Had that look there. Get it close in there. But you see it's more of a netting. The Union look had the netting on the leather. This just has the netting. There's nothing under there, guys. The inside here has the same drawing as the right side. It's just lime green in here, but the same drawing. Only thing's changed is the 20-year anniversary Clout Nike logo there. The bottom also has that peach pink look. Very dope with a khaki inside there. I'm telling you, I like the right side better. So on top of that, you got like little staple string look here. I don't know what Clout that actually came from. but it's dope. Now we in here. You got like a pink, reddish, small jewel, just like the blue one I showed y'all, on top of like some elephant leather material. I told you the left side is more of an earthy look. That clout material creeps right back in here. Very dope, man. Looks very designerish, man. The back, instead of saying a Nike logo like the blue one, you actually have the Clot logo. Orange bloom, I guess. Pink again. And then both materials creeping on the back to kind of make like a collage here. As far as the tongue, white and red. The other one was white and blue. The shoestring holders got the pink or the, I don't know what we calling this color. Maybe like a highlighted peach. And the other side has the gray. Yes, sir. So with Dunks coming out every other day, and then on top of that, the Pandas just keep restocking. With Dunks, you're basically getting a 2-color scheme. Orange Crush, Panda, Midnight Navy. These by far going to be the hardest Dunks of the year. Not SBs, Dunks of the year. By far, because it collapsed 20 years of work into one. Gold, StockX, depending on sizes, I'm a 10 to 11. You're looking at maybe $350. I think retail was $130, so that's a big flip. But to own these is like to own a piece of history, guys. If you like me and you slept on a lot of Clot Nike collabs because you just wasn't feeling them, to get all in one is kind of a cheat code. Y'all get what I'm saying, man. And I like them, man. Y'all know I'm an SB guy. But I could dig these, man. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these. I'm going to do a how to style of these, but y'all just going to have to give me a while because putting these together is, you know, the how to style got to be flames, man. And we got to make sure it's right. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.